What's up guys, welcome back to yet another custom ROM video for OnePlus smartphone. After every custom ROM video, we used to see many messages regarding can we use OnePlus stock camera or other OnePlus stock applications on custom ROM. So here we have an amazing custom ROM called Nameless, and this ROM comes with pre-installed OnePlus stock applications like OnePlus stock camera and OnePlus Gallery application. This ROM is currently present for OnePlus 8, 8T, 8 Pro and OnePlus 9R. So if you have any of these devices and if you want to try out Android 12, then just go ahead. And before talking about this custom ROM, let's keep a like target of 400 likes on this video. And also we have 80% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel, so it's a humble request, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So here you can see I have my OnePlus 8 which have Nameless custom ROM installed based on Android 12. Talking about the software information, Android version is Android 12 and this ROM comes with 5th Feb 2022 security patch, which is the latest security patch from Google. First, let's clear out all the basic stuff which is required in daily usage of a device. When we talk about the calling part, there are no issues to be seen with VoLTE. Wi-Fi calling had no issues till now. Alert slider, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi do work as expected. And fingerprint is also equally fast, similar to Oxygen OS. And here are the benchmark results using Geekbench application, wherein single core scored 896 and multi-core scored 3110. With Antutu benchmark application, device scored 6,55,369. We also ran CPU throttling app, wherein CPU max throttled up to 88% and average gips were also quite high. If you are the one who uses payment applications more, so you won't have any kind of issues using the payment services. Though if you check using safety net check application, device doesn't pass through the safety net check, but Play Store is certified. And here's a transaction which I did after installing this custom ROM. So for me, Google Pay works as expected. But only one issue which you guys gonna face on this custom ROM is related to the wideband security level. So here if you take a look, security level says L3. This means you won't be able to enjoy the full HD content on OTT platforms like Netflix and Amazon. For that you have to root your device and use the modules to fix this issue. And trust me guys, I have used almost all the custom ROMs based on Android 12 till now, and this is one of my favorite one because you don't have to additionally install Google Camera applications. By default it comes with OnePlus stock camera application and which doesn't have any kind of issues. Not all Google Camera applications are stable enough, but huge thanks to developers for keeping OnePlus stock camera application. And along with that, we also have OnePlus stock gallery pre-installed. We get way many options for the screen recording stuff. As you can see here, you can choose between the device audio, microphone or both of them. Then you also have an option to enable recording limit and which can be set to max 15 GB. We do get the option to record videos in standard resolution. We do get dedicated gaming mode option for gamers, and there also you'll see many options. And soon you launch the game, you'll get an icon to trigger the gaming dashboard where you have these many options. And the good thing about custom ROMs, we get 90 FPS support in Battlegrounds Mobile India. As you can see here in the lobby graphic settings, we have smooth and 90 FPS and the FPS meter also shows 90 FPS. Unlike Oxygen OS, we don't have any restrictions up to 60 FPS. On this custom ROM, you don't even miss out on the OnePlus stock settings, which can be found in the settings panel. As you can see here, we have OnePlus settings tab from where you can enable DC dimming. You can enable or disable high brightness mode, but guys, avoid using high brightness mode. This might lead to screen burn. And another good thing is we also get pre-installed Dolby Atmos on this custom ROM. We do have always on display, and other gestures like tap to wake or lift to wake up the device works fine. You can also make changes between the vibrator strength. None of the gestures had any kind of issues like accelerometer, light, proximity, magnetometer, compass and gyroscope. And at last, a decent battery backup. I've been getting around 3.5 hours to 4 hours of screen on time with my usage. This might vary for every individual, but I can say good battery backup on this custom ROM. Also, we have the support of warp charging, so I did not even find any kind of delays in the charging speed. And if you guys wish to install this custom ROM, I'll mention the video guide in the description below. Just follow the exact steps and download the required files from the description. Using that guide, you guys will be easily able to install this Nameless custom ROM based on Android 12 on your OnePlus entire 8 series and OnePlus 9R. So guys, this was a quick look on another Android 12 custom ROM. If you still have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.